Okay, so this is your chapter 4 over here. And we wanted to do a few of the PYQs and practice questions, and with this we'll wind up the decimal fraction chapter. Okay. So the first question over here is question number 30, and they have asked you the value of 0.63 bar plus 0.37 bar. Okay, right. So let's just assume this value to be x and this value to be y. Okay, so x is equal to 0.63 bar, isn't it? And y is equal to 0.37 bar. Okay, so which implies what? Into 100. If we do, like why we are doing 100x is equal to 63 into 63 bar. We want to essentially get rid of these bars over here, right? We want to get rid of this bar, and that's why we are doing 100x. So that 1 times 63 gets to the left hand side of the decimal, and 63 bar remains as it is to the right hand side of the decimal, right? And over here 100y is equal to 37.37 bar. Okay, now in this one, if we reduce in the left hand side, 100x minus x is equal to 63.63 bar minus 0.63 bar. Up till now, do you guys have any doubt, any problem, any question, any concern? Both of you. The 99x is equal to 63. That means your x is equal to 63 by 99. Okay. Similarly, over here also, when you do this 100y minus y, you will get 99y will be equal to 37.37 bar minus 0.37 bar. Okay. That means your value of y will be eventually be look like this. Okay. X is this, y is this. And if you add this 63 by 99 and 37 by 99, how much is that? It's 100. 100 by 99, right? Right, Mulan and Mateshwaran?
Yes, sir.
Is it 100 by 99 or 1? This
Yes,
is my
sir.
question. Yeah, I mean, which of these two answer option is correct? 100 by 99 or 1? Which of these two is correct? It's 100 by 99. This is what we have found out,
100
right?
by 99, sir.
Yes. Okay. And there is a short way of also doing this. Okay. 0.63 bar. How do we change into fraction? Okay, this is in the form of decimal right now, and we want to change it in the form of fraction, right? So how do we do that? First, forget the bar and point, just write the number 63 minus all the number that hasn't got bar over it, forgetting the decimal. There is no number as such, so we'll put in 0. And how many number has got bar over it? Over here it's 2, 1, 2, so we'll put it 2 times. Yes, it is 63 by 99. Similarly, 0.37 bar has to be changed in the form of, first forget the decimal and bar. So we'll simply write the number 37 minus all that number which hasn't got a bar over it. Okay, ignoring the decimal. We don't have any such numbers. Do we have any such number? Do we have anything like that? Do we have over here? We have two numbers over which no bar is there. Okay, but over here all the number has got bar above it, isn't it? Isn't it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so if so there's not a single number over here over which no bar is there. Okay, so we'll simply write 2 times 9, because 2 times 9 we are writing because there are two numbers over which bar is there, so which will eventually become 37 by 99, and then you add these two, we will get 100 by 99. Which is basically your answer. Shall we move to the next question, guys? Shall we move to the next question?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yes. This question. Let P be a prime number other than 2 or 5. Other than 2 or 5, what are the P? What are the prime numbers? Let us say P is a prime number other than 2 and 5. It can be 3, 4, 5. It can be 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It can be 11 and so on. Right? One would like to express the vulgar fraction. You guys were not there in yesterday's class, and yesterday's class chaps are absent today. Right? So vulgar fraction is nothing but your simple fraction. Okay, simple fraction. That means 10 by 20, 5 by 16, 1 by 7, 1 by 9, 2 by 3. All of these are what? Your vulgar fraction, or in other terms, it is simple fractions. Right? Right, guys? So these are the numbers. One would like to express the vulgar fraction 1 by P. That means 1 by P is equal to what? 1 by 3 or 1 by 7 or 1 by 11. Likewise, in the form of a recurring decimal, then the decimal will be. Okay. Let's just take the case of 1 by 3. 1 by 3 is what? 0.33333. That means 0.3 bar. Right? So 0.3 bar means what? When we say 0.3 bar, the period means after how many numbers it is being repeated? It's only one. Right? No, it's only one. So period is what? One only. Period means how many numbers are being repeated. How many numbers are being repeated? Only one number is being repeated. Right? So over here your period is equal to 1. And you will observe in the answer option that everywhere it has been given P minus 1. Okay. So over here P minus 1 is what? 3 minus 1, which is equal to 2. Right? Which is equal to 2. So a pure recurring decimal and its period will be factor of P minus 1. Okay. So what is the factor of 2? The factor of 2 is 1 and 2. Right? Okay. Let P be a prime number other than 2 and 5. Let us say we work with 3. One would like to express the vulgar fraction 1 by P in the form of recurring decimal. What do we mean by recurring?
Repetition.
We recurring means what? Yes. You did not get it? One moment. Let P be a prime number other than 2 or 5. So we have assumed one prime number as 3. Okay. One would like to express the vulgar fraction 1 by P. Vulgar fraction is nothing but your simple fraction. Okay. Vulgar fraction, that is simple fraction in the form of 1 by P. Vulgar fraction 1 by P, this simple fraction 1 by P in the form of recurring decimal. Recurring means what? Repeating. In Zoom, we'll be scheduling recurring meetings. That means repeated meetings. Okay. Then the decimal would be, this decimal would be, okay, a pure recurring decimal, a pure recurring decimal, a mixed recurring decimal, a mixed recurring decimal. Okay. So what is pure recurring decimal? You guys were not there in yesterday's class. Okay. That is why that's the problem. Pure recurring decimal means after point, let's say 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Each of these numbers are being repeated after point. Okay. After point 1, 2, 3 bar. Okay. This is your pure recurring. Okay. And mixed recurring means what? 0.12, then 58, 58, 58. only 58 is repeating, right? 0.1258 bar. This 1, 2 is not being repeated, right? So this sort of decimals are called your what? Mixed recurring decimal. Okay. It is mixed because some of the parts are repeating and some of the parts are non-repeating. Okay. But overall, it's a recurring. This whole entire number itself, decimal itself is recurring. Right? Did you guys get it? Both of you. Abhikaran, all of you.
Yes, sir.
You were there in yesterday's class, so you will understand, I know. But I'm worried about Mateshwar and Muilan because yesterday these guys did not join. So did you guys understand what is pure recurring and mixed recurring, Muilan and Mateshwaran?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So pure recurring means all the numbers after decimal is being repeated. Mixed recurring means not all, most of the numbers except for a few numbers. Okay, I mean digits, not numbers. Okay, digits are being repeated, right? Okay. So over here they have given a pure recurring decimal. So a mixed recurring decimal, mixed recurring decimal. What did we observe? It's a pure recurring decimal. This number is a pure recurring decimal. That means your option A and option D. Sorry, only option A and C is still in the contention. Okay, isn't it? Right or wrong? Only option A and C, because mixed recurring decimal is not possible. Right? What are they saying in option A? A pure recurring decimal and its period will be necessarily p minus 1. Okay. Over here, period means what? How many numbers are being repeated? Okay. Over here, period is 1. Okay. P minus 1. P minus 1 is 2. Is it necessarily? And its period will be necessarily p minus 1? No, it's over here. Period itself is 1, but the p minus 1 value is what? 2. So even A goes on to a toss. So what is the correct answer option over here, guys? It's C. Okay, let's just try to understand a bit more. Okay, let us just take p is equal to 7. Okay, right? P is a prime number which is other than 2 and 5. One would like to express the vulgar fraction, that is the simple fraction 1 by p, that means 1 by 7, in the form of a recurring decimal. What is the recurring decimal of that? Okay, 0.10 1 times. Okay, 10 1 times 10 3 4 28 20 260 840 5 and then 5 7. Okay, it will start repeating after this. Okay, it will start repeating after this, right, guys? So this is nothing but 0.142857 bar. What is the period over here? Period over here is 1 2 3 4 5 6. That means after 6 numbers, after 6 digits, it's being repeated. Okay, we concluded C is the correct answer. A pure recurring decimal because all the numbers are after the points is being repeated, isn't it? A pure recurring decimal and its period will be some factor of p minus 1. Okay, some factor of p minus 1. Okay, p minus 1 is what? P minus 1. We have already taken p is equal to 7. Okay, so p minus 1 is 6. And what are the factors of 6? Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, and 6, isn't it? What they are saying, a pure recurring decimal and its period that is 6 will be factor of p minus 1. Right, guys? Did you get this question? If you did not get this question, sit with this question again, okay? And if you still do not get it, come and ask to me, I'll let you know. How about that? Shall we move to the next question, guys?
Yes,
Because
sir.
we have a lot of questions to solve. Yeah. Here's this one. Quick. I want an answer from Muilan. Sorry, guys. Look, these are all previously asked questions in your CDS examination. Okay. So representation of 0.2341. 341 has got bar above it. You can solve it multiplying by 10 and then multiplying by 100 and then doing all that stuff. Okay. But there is a better way as well. Okay. And that better way is what Avikaran knows because he was in yesterday's class. First, we will forget the bar and this decimal both and write down the number. What is that number? 2341 minus, we will forget the bar and all the digits under it. And then we will forget the decimal. What is remaining? Only 2 remaining. Just write down. Okay. That's it. How many digits have got bar over it? Okay, these are the digits. 3 digits. 3 digits have got bars over it. Right? So write 3 times 9. How many digits after point has got no bar above it? How many digits? It's only 1. So write 0 one time. Okay. Now solve this one. 9990. That's it is your answer. Answer option D is your correct answer over here. Moilan, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
Buddy,
Yes,
you
sir.
sure? Okay. If you are so sure about that, let's just try and work out with this number. Okay. Moilan, I want you to solve this. Okay. Easy one, not so tough one. Yeah. Express this in the form of P by Q. Look, Moilan, solve it with me. First, forget the bar and decimal. Write down the number 1, 2, 6, 4, 7, 5, 3, 8, 8. Minus. Okay. Forget all the numbers under the bar, all the digits under the bar, and also forget the decimal and write down the number. That means this number 12647 divided by how many digits have got bar over it? How many digits have got bar over it, Milan?
4 digits, sir.
So shall we write 4 times 9?
Yes, sir.
And how many digits after decimal have got no bar above it?
2 digits, sir.
So how many times should we write 0?
2 digits.
2 times. That's it. Now you solve this. Whatever you solve, this is your answer. Okay. Got it, Moilan?
Yes, sir.
Cool. We'll move to the next question. Where's the friend Mateshwaran dropped off? Okay, he came back. Maybe some network issues. No problem. Yeah. Easy one. I want Mateshwaran to answer this. You can answer this type of question even without using a pen and paper. Mateshwaran and Moilan, do you guys want me to tell you the process? How exactly it happens? Yes or no? Or you want only the trick? Okay, we'll do both. Okay. For this question alone, and this is the last and the final time I'll be explaining. Right. So let us assume x is equal to 0.242424. It's a recurring number. Okay. It never ends. It just keep on repeating 242424 till eternity. Okay. Always till infinity, whatever. What is 10x? It is 2.424242424242. Right? Well, if we multiply once more, what is 100x? 24.242424. Avikaran, if you got the soft copy with you, if you can solve rest of the questions and utilize this time if these things are getting repeated for you. Okay. You can pick up the book that soft copy Pathfinder, and finish off all the decimal fraction questions, because some of the concepts are being repeated because our friends were not there in the class yesterday. Not their mistake, but today they have managed to come into the class. So I'm telling them again. Okay. So this is your 1 and this is your 2, right? So what if we do 2 minus 1, it will be how much? 100x minus 10x is equal to 24.24 bar. The same thing, this thing can also be written in the form of 24.24 bar, isn't it? Minus 2.4, sorry, not this one. One is this one. Your equation number 1 is this one. Why equation number 1 is this one? If you observe carefully, 2, 4, 2, 4. Over here also 2, 4, 2, 4. Over here it's 4, 2, 4, 2. Okay, it's not 2, 4. We want to get rid of this 2, 4 bar basically, right? We want to get rid of this 2, 4 bar. Okay, so this is 2 minus 1, which is equal to 90x is equal to not 90x, 99x. Okay, this is x only, and this is over 100x is equal to, if you minus this one, how much will you get? You will get 24. So x is equal to 24 by 99, which is nothing but 8 by 33. Clear, both of you? All of you? Yes or no? Guys, is it clear? Okay. Is it clear, guys? Muilan Mateshan, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let's try to understand it formula way. That means 0.24 bar. Okay. First, what did I tell you? Forget the decimal, forget the bar, write down the number. Minus, forget the digits under the bar. If you forget the digits under the bar, you will not be left with anything. You will be left with 0. So let's just write 0. How many numbers are there under bar? How many digits are there? Sorry, how many digits are there under bar? 2. 2 digits, no? 1 and 2. So how many times we should write 9? 2 times. That's it. 24 by 99. In its most simplified form, it is 8 by 33. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So we'll move to the next question. We'll be a little bit fast on this. Yeah. 0.007 bar plus 17.83 bar plus 310.0202 bar. Okay. First, forget the decimal and bar, write down the number. Okay. Minus, what are the numbers which are there which doesn't have bar over it? No number, only 0. That's it. Okay. How many numbers have got bar under it? How many digits are there under the bar? Sorry. Yeah. It's only 1. So write down 9. After decimal, how many digits are there under which no bar is there? 1, 2. Okay. This 0 will be counted. Okay. 1, 2. That's it. Plus over here 1, 7. Forget the bar and point. Minus. Now forget the digits under the bar. We are left with 17. Divided by how many digits are there under the bar? 2. Is there any digit without bar? After point? No. So we don't have to write 0. Then 3, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0, 2. Forget decimal and bar. Okay, got bar above it. So 3, 1, 0, 0, 2, 0. Divided by how many times 9 we should write? We should write 9 1 times. Right? And then how many times 0 we should write? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Let's try to solve it. 7 by 900. plus 1783 divided by 17. Okay. 63, 66, 1766 divided by 99 plus 3100,202, 3100,202, 28109. Right, guys. So how much is that? How much is that? 2790182 divided by 9123. Okay. Yes, guys. What do you think about this question? I think that we are getting into some uncharted territory, given the fact that it just getting just so clumsy. So what do you think about this question? Is there any better way to solve this? Abhikaran, can you rescue buddy? No, you cannot rescue me.
Not sir. Better ways.
Okay. So I'm just I don't like these numbers like this. Okay. Okay, let's make it this way. Let's make it 9,000 and let's make it another 0. Okay. So what we can do is that we can add 70 to it. Right? No. So if we add 70 to it, it will eventually become what? 20972. Okay. So this means essentially 1766 divided by 99 plus 2790252 divided by 9,000. Okay. And 1766. 1766. Is it divisible by 11? No, it's not divisible by 11. Should we get it going? In that case, 1766, 7 in 7 plus 6, 13. 7 plus 6 is 13 and minus 7, right? You see, decimal fraction problem. It can also be problematic, right? Okay. Okay. I'm just taking the help of the solution. Okay. There's a different way to go ahead with this. Okay. And this method is pretty much same as that what we studied in the in finding the HCF and LCM of a decimal number. Okay. So I knew that. I mean, I could foresee how exactly this thing had to be worked out. So there are three elements. Let us say 0.007 bar. Okay, and y is equal to 7.83 bar. And z is equal to 310.0202 bar. Okay, which is nothing but 0.0077777777 like this, and 17.83, 83, and so on. 31002022222 like this, right? So what we have to do over here is that it is after this fourth 1 2 3 fourth. Okay, after this 1 2 3 fourth, all of these are repeating. Okay, so 0 point, how many up till what numbers they want? 1 2 3 4 5, 3 4 5, up till 5 digits at least. Okay, so 0.00, okay, 007, that means third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Let's do it up till seventh. Okay, and 17.83838383. Let's do up till this number. Okay, and 310.02.0222222. That's it. Okay. Now let's add all of this. 33628. Okay. 8, 7, 15, 16, 17. 1. Okay. 1 remaining. 1 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 remaining. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 remaining over here. 7, 3, 10, 12, 13, 3, 1, 6, 8.723. Okay. Is there anything repeating somewhere, anywhere? Is the option A and B both are same? Is it the same, guys? No, it's not the same. So the bar is over 3.8. Okay, the bar is over 3.8. 6 to 8. How have these people added it? Not getting it. Did I do any error somewhere, guys? Is there any error that I have done? 0.007. Oh yeah, we have done this mistake over here. The mistake is this, that over here it had to be 7 and not 3. Okay. 7, 3, 10 to 12. 12, 2, 1, 8, 1. 7, 3, 10 to 7, 3, 10 to 12. Okay, let's chuck this one. Let's chuck this one. Okay. 7, 3, 10, 12, 2, 1, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1. Okay. 1 remaining. 7, 3, 10, 12, 13, 3. 1 remaining. 18, 1 remaining. 1 remaining. 1 remaining. 6, 8.327. Okay. So what did we observe over here is that this number, for some reason, if you extend this number, if you extend this number further, you will eventually realize that this number will eventually turn up to be a 3 only. Okay. So this 3838 will get repeated, right, guys? Okay. So 723, 866, 38 bar will be your answer. Okay. Since the very fact is that we are kind of terminating it here, we are assuming that it's ending it here. Okay. 732. This will be the last one, right? Okay. 782, 782, 782 and 732. These two will be always repeating, right? And 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, 8. This number will always be repeating. But then there will be always will be a carry forward in both the cases, right? So these two will eventually become your 3, always and every time. Okay, except for the last one, and we don't know where is that last one because it's a non-terminating number, right? Okay, so we'll go ahead with option B as the answer option over here. Look, guys, the thing is that you might have this doubt, this question in your mind that, sir, it's 2. It's not essentially 3, 8. Okay. I want you to appreciate the fact that it's a non-terminating number. Okay. It's a non-terminating number. That means it never ends. It's a recurring number. That means it keeps on repeating. And by this calculation, you must have observed that there will always be a carry forward. But when we work out with this number, okay, this last number, assuming that this is itself your last number, okay, so 732, and what we essentially mean is that 732 is your last number, but that essentially is also not your last number because it's a non-terminating decimal, right? Non-terminating recurring decimal, right? Now, so that is why this 2 can be substituted with 3. Right, guys? It's just about understanding. Like, when we tell some many a times in GP, sum to n terms of a GP. Okay. Let us say 1, 2, half, 1 by 4. 1 by 8. A by 1 minus R we say, okay, which is equal to 4. But in reality, if we just keep on adding this, you will never actually reach 4. We will reach 3.99999999999, some number to the infinite number, but we'll never actually reach 4. Okay. But sum to n terms of an infinite terms of a GP is A by 1 minus R, which gives us 4 as the answer. Got it, guys? Shall we move? Shall we move, guys? Okay. Do you have any doubt? Okay. I'll assume that you guys do not have any doubt. Yes. Tell me, what do you think is the answer to this question, guys? Yeah. We have 8 more questions to do. Let's just be a little quick, guys. Yes. Abhikaran Mateshwaran, what do you think is the answer? Rational numbers are also, what? Non-terminating recurring numbers. So you basically need to find what all the numbers which are recurring, which are repeating. Is one repeating? Yeah, it's a mixed recurring number. We studied now. It's a mixed recurring number, guys. Okay. Not all the digits after point is repeating. The digit 1 is not repeating, right? Right now. So 1 is a rational number. Yes. Option 2, look closely. Is it repeating? First 1 comes one time, then after 8, it comes 2 times. That means this number is not ending. Okay. It's non-terminating, but non-repeating also. Non-terminating, non-repeating are your what? Irrational numbers. Are you getting it, guys? Are you guys getting it? Tell me, what type of number is the third one? What type of number is the third one? It's non-terminating. For sure, it's non-terminating because it's not ending. Non-terminating. Now you tell me whether it's recurring or not, whether it's repeating or not. Abhikaran, tell me. Third one, it's a repeating or not?
Sir, it's a mix.
Sorry? Is
Sir.
it mixed recurring number?
Yes, mixed. Sir.
How are you saying it is repeating? What is that particular number which is repeating over here?
In third,
Or particular digits?
sir, in third, after the one is repeating. No, sir, it's not repeating, sir. Sir, can you hear me?
Sorry, guys. So sorry. Yeah, we were here. Okay. We were basically here, and we concluded that occurring decimal, right? Mixed, as long as it's recurring, it's a rational number, which essentially means that it's a rational number. Okay. Option 2, we concluded that it's non-terminating. That means it's not ending. Non-terminating because it's not being repeated. Is it being repeated, Abhikaran? Tell me somewhere. First, 1 is there only 1 time, then 1 is there 2 times, then 1 is there 3 times.
Non-repeating, sir.
It's non-repeating. Okay. That non-repeating means non-recurring. That means what? Irrational number. Okay. Third one is what? It's non-terminating. All the 4 numbers are non-terminating. It's non-terminating. It's recurring or non-recurring? First 0 comes 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Non-recurring. Yeah, it's non-recurring. Which means what? This is also an irrational number. Okay. The fourth one, it's very easy one. You see that 4, 5 is repeating. It's non-terminating. Okay. And also recurring. Which means what? It's a rational or irrational number? It's a rational. Okay. So what are the rational numbers? 1 and 4 is your answer. Is your rational numbers. That means C, 1 and 4 is your correct answer. Right, guys? Is it clear, guys? Abhikaran, is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Cool. Shall we move to the next question?
Sir.
Okay, fine. Let's move on to the next question. Yeah. Tell me the first one. 1 by 22. Okay. Just trying to divide 0.0, 1 times more, 0, 4 times 88, 12, 0, 5 times 110, then 10, then 0. It will start repeating. It will start repeating now, no? Okay, the same cycle will start. So, can 1 by 22 cannot be written as terminating decimal. Yes, true. True. This is true. This statement is true, right? Isn't it?
Yes, sir. True.
Now 15 to 0. No, sorry. Yeah, it's like that. 1, 15, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0, 5, 0. Okay. 2 by 15 can be written as 2 by 15 can be written as a terminating decimal. No. Is it true or false? Second statement. Second statement is false because same problem is over here also. 15, 5, 3 times 45, and then it just keep on repeating. So 2 by 15 cannot be written in the form of terminating decimal. Right? Now 16 by 1, 0.0. Okay. So can 1 by 16 be written as a terminating decimal? Yes. True. Yes, true. Okay. So which answer option is correct over here? C, 1 and 3 only. Okay. Is it clear, guys? Is it clear, guys? Did you follow me? Yes or no? Terminating means what? It's ending. Okay. Terminating means ending. 1 by 22 cannot be written as a terminating decimal. Yeah, it cannot be written as terminating decimal because 4, 5 is repeating, right? Over here you see 4, 5 is repeating and will just keep on repeating. It has to be eventually be written in the form like this. 0.045 bar. So this statement is true, no? Statement 1 is true, no? Yes, it cannot be written in the form of terminating decimal. Right? 2 by 15 can be written as a terminating decimal. No, it cannot be written in the form of terminating decimal because it has to be essentially written in the form of 0.13 bar, right? And this 1 by 16 can be written as a terminating decimal because it eventually gives us 0.0625, right? So your statement 1 and statement 3 are correct and statement 2 is your false. Is it clear, guys? Shall we move? Let's finish off the rest of the questions. Shall we move, guys? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Sleeping? Okay, fine, no problem. Yes is greater than 3 by 4, but less than 5 by 6. Okay, 3 by 4. Okay, 3 by 4, 1 by 2. Which one is greater? Okay, 3 by 4 is greater. That means A, B, C, D. A gone on to a toss. Okay, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. How to find which one is greater? First we do crisscross. 9 and 8. Okay, which one is greater? 3 by 4 is greater. So B also has gone on to a toss because we were looking for a number which is greater than 3 by 4. Okay. So this is 15 and this is 16. So that means 4 by 5 is greater. Yes. We got a number which is greater than 3 by 4. That is 4 by 5. And now let's check it with 5 by 6. It's 24 and it's 25. So this one is greater. So which is the correct answer option, guys? Option C, 4 by 5 is your correct answer. Did you understand it? Did you guys understand it? Tell me yes or no. Tell the truth. Abhikaran understood it, right? Shall we move to the next question, guys? Okay. I know you guys are feeling sleepy. No worries. Let's move to the next question. Yes, guys. Same old question. 0.3467. Okay. 6767. 0.13333333. Okay. How much is that? One remaining. This is 10, one remaining 11, one remaining 0, one remaining 11, one remaining 10, 1, 8, 4.0. Okay. So 0, 1 is repeating over here, guys. Okay, we did not have much of a problem because only under two digits we had bar. Okay, so we did not have much of a problem, which can be written in the form of 0.4801. Right, guys, is it clear? Shall we move? Yeah, this one, easy one. Solve it and give me the answer fast. All of you. 0.1 square minus 0.01 square divided by 0.001 plus 1. A square minus B square. That means A plus B into A minus B. Did I teach you how to do operations with these numbers yesterday? Okay. So if you do this, it will become 0.101, 0.1, 0.00100. Okay. That means 990. Okay. 0.099, right? Divided by 0.001 plus 1. Okay. Let's try to work around it. How much is that? 1, 2, 3. This goes to a toss, one toss. 1 into 99. Why is my internet connection so stable here? So that means it will be how much? Your, when we multiply these two, 99, 99, 1, 2, 3 plus 1. Okay. This one can be taken as 1, 2, 3. Okay. It's not like 99. One moment. Yeah. It's 9.999. Okay. This can be written, 11 will be your answer over here. Guys, you need to do it all by yourself. You need to get your hands dirty. You need to practice it. You need to give time to these questions. If you are thinking that I'll watch sir explain these questions and then I'll straight away go to the examination and solve it, I'm giving you 100% guarantee that that's not going to happen. You will falter. Okay. So you have got the soft copy, and you guys, those of you who are regular, you're working out. Okay. Today I'll forward the names to sir to get you guys the book. It is the Pathfinder for sure. And you guys will get the book, and meanwhile using the PDF, using the soft copy, study that. Okay, clear? Now just study, solve it, you have to sit with the questions. You have to give time to the questions, otherwise it won't work out. Right? Shall we move to the next question, guys? Yeah. What decimal of an hour is a second? What decimal of an hour is a second? Okay. What decimal of an hour? 1 hour, that means what? 3600 seconds. They are basically asking what is the value of 1 divided by 3600. Okay. What is this value? Can any one of you tell me? What's this value, guys? What is this value, guys? 1 divided by 3600. What's the value, guys? You see, first time, I know the answer. If you have done the approximation, 0.00027 will be your answer. Okay. Can any one of you use the calculator and tell me what is the answer? Guys, sleeping? Wake up, guys. Wake up. Oh, I'm also feeling so hungry. I want to go and have some breakfast. Come on, let's just make it fast, guys. What is 1 divided by 3600, guys? What is 1 divided by 3600, guys? Don't know? Slap. Okay. So this value is option C is your correct answer over here. 0.0027. I mean 0.000. 3 times 0. 27 is the correct answer option over here. Okay. Alright, guys. You guys seem to have slept. So I don't know how many questions are there. 1, 2, 3. Just 3 more questions are there. You please do it at your own end. And with this, we come to an end of this chapter. Thank you so much for joining. We'll start the next chapter either tomorrow or maybe later this day. Okay. Thank you so much for joining, guys. Bye bye.